Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will be focusing upon the bugs that are in scope and the vulnerabilities that you will find in a website. Starting off with an SQL injection, then we have cross-site scripting or XSS, then we have IDOR, that is Insecure Direct Object Reference, then CSRF, that stands for Cross-Site Request Forgery, then we have security misconfiguration, then insecure CORS, that is cross origin resource sharing. Then we'll talk about what is brute forcing, how many types of brute forcing are there, and we'll provide you a demo as well. After that we have URL redirection and then file inclusion. File inclusion has very high severity, as if you are able to find this vulnerability in any website, then you might be able to get a hold of the website or the server as well, on which the site has been hosted. Apart from it, we'll also talk about what is server-side request forgery, and there are few more things that we'll learn throughout this course. So these are basically all the vulnerabilities and bugs that we will be focusing in this course. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.